How to add or remove exclusions on Microsoft Defender in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to click on the search bar. Here you want to search for Windows Security. Then click on the option of Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and get to the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Click on Manage Settings option. Now you want to scroll down and find the option of Exclusions. Windows Defender Antivirus won't scan items that you have excluded. Excluded items could contain threats that can make your device vulnerable. If you want to add or remove exclusions, go ahead and click on this link that says Add or Remove Exclusions. Now, if you want to add one, click on the Add an Exclusion option. Select File, Folder, File Type, or Process from this drop down. Then you want to browse it and then select one. Then click on the Open option. Once it has been added, if you want to remove it, simply click on the one that you want to remove and click on the Remove option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.